Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows Store error in Windows 10. First method is, type WS reset in Windows search bar. Right-click, run as administrator. Second method is, type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it into PowerShell window. Press Enter key. Third method is, click Start button, Settings. Click Apps. Click Apps and Features. Click Microsoft Store, Advanced Options. Click Reset Store. Open Microsoft Store. Fourth method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Type net space stop, space WUAU, serve. Press Enter key. Type net space stop crypt svc. Click yes to continue. Type net space stop bits. Press Enter key. Type net space stop space MSI server. Press Enter key. Type ren space c colan \Windows \software distribution space software distribution.old. Click yes to continue. ren space c colan backslash, windows backslash, system32. Backslash catro2. Space catro2.old. Click yes to continue. Net space start WUAU serve. Press enter key. Net space start space, crypt svc. Press enter key. Net space start space, bits. Net space start space, MSI server. Type exit, exit from command prompt. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. WUAUCLT, space /update now. Type exit, exit from PowerShell. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.